Hi, I'm Natalie from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make your decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring you the 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Nutrisystem. Nutrisystem has been helping people lose weight and live healthier lives for roughly 50 years now. Over that time, it's honed its weight loss program to perfection. Nutrisystem includes every aspect of healthy living, considering important factors like your age, goals, and body type. Pick the plan that's right for you, get over 150 meal options, and enjoy ready-made meals whenever you need them. There's even a fitness program. Nutrisystem is the #1 choice for people looking for ultimate convenience in a weight loss program. That's because the system delivers ready-to-eat meals straight to your door. All the meals are nutritionally balanced and fully prepared. So, it's the easiest program to maintain. Nutrisystem gives you plenty of options and guidance to get your weight loss journey on track and stay there. You'll pick a plan that works for you, choose your menu, and wait for your order to arrive. Then, you'll eat according to the menu Nutrisystem sends and follow the helpful guidelines. Nutrisystem has over 150 different menu options, ranging from heart-healthy breakfasts like apple walnut oatmeal and superfood smoothies, to lip-licking lunches including grain bowls, soups, and pastas, and even satisfying dinners like chicken Alfredo and roasted red pepper flatbread. You can also get snack packs for a sweet treat. Nutrisystem encourages you to eat smaller meals more often. So your typical daily menu will include a healthy breakfast followed by a light snack. Then you'll have a nice lunch and a mid-afternoon snack to tide you over till dinner. You won't go to bed without a little snack either. One of the best parts of the Nutrisystem diet plan is that you don't have to cook. All of your meals come ready to eat or frozen and ready to heat and then eat. There's no preparation, no shopping, and no cleaning up afterwards. The best part. Nutrisystem has a fully integrated fitness program called the My Daily 3 Plan. It has 30-minute workouts geared towards getting you moving every day. The program has different levels, so you can choose to work out for 30 minutes at once or break it down into shorter intervals throughout the day. In addition to personalized plans that are tailored to fit your metabolism and body type, Nutrisystem has loads of support resources to motivate you and keep you going. The mobile app is loaded with goodies, and Nutrisystem has dietitians and weight loss counselors on call for your support, advice, and guidance. Nutrisystem has a free mobile app called New Me, with tools to help you lose weight and get fit, like a food and activity tracker and progress charts. Nutrisystem uses gamification to motivate you and challenge you to keep going. The mobile app also gives you freebies, recipes, and more. Nutrisystem has 3 basic plans to choose from: the basic plan, the Uniquely Yours plan, and the Uniquely Yours Ultimate plan. Prices range from $8.93 a day to $12.86 a day and include 4-week diet plans, meals, guidance, and free shipping. There's also a couples plan for just $10.71. It's a system that actually works. Food is delicious and it works to help you develop better eating habits. With Nutrisystem, I can get as much food and spend what I want to help in getting to the goal I am looking to reach. The customer service is very friendly and cares about their customers. Nutrisystem makes dieting easy with its prepared meals delivered to your door. The program lets you choose from 150+ meal options that are nutritionally balanced for weight loss. Plus, you'll get loads of support and a fitness program to help you trim down and feel great. I hope this video helped you decide whether Nutrisystem is the right weight loss program for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.